Violet, can you choose a song? Can you choose a song on the saxophone? Yeah, can you push a button? Push a button. Good try. Keep doing it. Good job. Oh, very good job. You dancing? That's how you play a saxophone. Very good job. Meow, meow. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ribbit, ribbit. Tick tock, tick tock. Yeah, there was a cat on TV. Tick tock, tick tock. Clock. Do you see a moon outside? What's outside? Do you hear a dog? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, there's a cat on TV. Can you say bye-bye?